to get a practice. Anyone, please volunteer to read. Come on.
Can you,
Vaishali, you are in a position to read, or you are in a class where you can't speak now? Vaishali,
sir, you will show that on screen or we have to
yeah,
do it by ourselves?
I have not shown. Sorry.
No, sir.
You have to tell me, Baba. I am
Hello.
committing mistakes. Yeah, anyone, please read. Who wants to read?
Yes,
Raise your hand.
sir, I can.
Yes, sir. Am I
Sir,
audible, sir?
Yeah, please raise your hand, please.
So how to raise the
रेजिंग
hand?
हैंड आप लोग नहीं जानते जूम पर कैसे ले हैंड ले करना
नहीं पता सर.
वेरी गुड
We are
Vaishali raised now first, so I request Vaishali to read the headlines only. Vaishali, please read.
Yes. Sure, sir.
In fact, Vaishali, you told me you
Yes.
were with us for last year also. By what was the interview marks they gave you?
No, sir. This is my first time I gave the test.
This is the first time. Acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
Today somebody messaged. I'm an ex-student. That's why. Okay, tariffs. Please read tariffs.
Uh, Tariffs threatens global growth, but India, a bright spot for world economy. World Bank's August cause में the tariff
August
and trade.
August Kaume. He is a man from our World Bank. It seems very good. Now we will go for the next one. India.
India refuses to sign joint declaration at SCO defense ministers meeting.
What is SCO? Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Okay, continue. Yeah, please
After
read.
rare earths, China halts specialty fertilizer exports to India.
Oh, ये क्या चीज है? कुछ गड़बड़ है? Please read that. In a development,
In a development that could disrupt India's agricultural supply chain, China had halted shipments of specialty fertilizer to India for the last 2 months. Top executives of several large importers told Economic Times. These fertilizers used to increase the yields of fruit, vegetables, and other remunerative crops are still exported by China to other countries. China have been restricting suppliers to specialty fertilizer to India for the 4 to 5 years. However, this time it is a complete halt, said Rajiv Chakrabarti, President Soluble Fertilizer Industries Association SFIA. Shipments from factories are subject to inspections by the Chinese government, according to the report by the publication that cited people with knowledge of the matter. China had been inspecting shipments meant for India using various producers to block export without imposing an express ban.
good. Continue headlines only. IDBI Bank.
IDPI Bank disinvestments, sorry sir, IDBI Bank disinvestment near final approval stage, say government source.
Yeah. Next, continue. Finance Ministry.
Finance Ministry may introduce revised bank deposit insurance cover by next year.
What is the present insurance, Vaishali? Vaishali,
Sorry, sir.
what is the present level of insurance for bank deposits? 5 lakhs.
Okay.
DICGC is giving guarantee cover of up to 5 lakhs. But we don't know how much are they going to increase. This was revised last time on April 1, 2020. And prior to that, it was done so many years back. And now, apart from that, you kindly remember the banks have to pay 0.12% per rupees 100 of deposit. If the bank has 100 rupees deposit, they have to pay 12 paise to DICGC. The last revision was on 2020. That was done after 27 years. Doesn't matter. Continue, Vaishali. India's Priyanka, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Priyanka, why don't you read? She is not able to remember. Please read India's first.
India's first maritime NBFC launched.
What is NBFC, Priyanka?
So non-banking financial
Corporation or company?
corporation. Yes.
See, and this is also one important question. What is the difference between bank and NBFC? For even credit officers, this is a favorite question. Banking companies are registered under Banking Regulation Act. NBFCs are registered under Companies Act. Banking companies can take both demand deposits and time deposits. NBFCs normally don't take deposit. If they take deposit, they take only fixed deposit. NBFCs do not participate in clearing operations. They cannot issue debit card and credit cards. Credit cards can they issue? Debit cards they cannot. Credit card they can issue. Whereas banks you can issue both. And another point is bank deposits are guaranteed up to 5 lakhs per individual in a bank, whereas NBFC no insurance or no insurance for its deposits. Very good. Priyanka was reading. Priyanka,
Hello, sir.
continue. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, there is again one point like the checks issued by the bank, but NBFC has not issued
Yeah,
the
yeah.
check.
Checks. Yeah, checks. In fact, NBFCs cannot participate in payment mechanisms like clearing house. They cannot issue check like that. They can provide ATM but ATM also they cannot provide because they are not having any. They can provide ATM for another bank. They cannot provide in their own name
Sir,
because
but
they don't
white
have
label
any.
ATM क्यों हो?
True, but that ATM is for the bank only, not for the NBFC's accounts. Because NBFC's accounts are not demand deposits. Okay, very good. Now, who is going to continue reading, Priyanka? All banks.
All banks
Sir,
banks
sorry
need
to
to
Yeah.
interrupt in between. Some but white label ATMs तो है ना सर, वो नॉन बैंकिंग एंटिटीज के थ्रू ही तो आता है, मतलब मुझे
But
जितना
true,
आई नो दैट.
true, but it is not operating their accounts.
हाँ हाँ, that's true.
Yeah. Now continue. All banks.
to strictly pass on customers and their burden.
Candidates, till you want to clear your credit officer in interview, please arrange for good internet system. Otherwise, muskil ho jayega. Like Priyanka is now struggling. Her internet is not all right. If it goes like this, neither you can enjoy the class nor can we appreciate your participation. Okay. Now, whose internet is okay? Shubham, your internet is okay?
Yes, sir.
Shubham,
Yes, sir.
Shubham, please read IBPS.
IBPS allowed to use Aadhaar to verify candidates in bank exams. The Union Finance Ministers on
No,
Thursday.
not required. Not required. That's not required. Continue. Government.
Government moves rupees 13,000 crore package for auto parts makers to boost the local manufacturing.
Normally, we pronounce this as mulls, not mulls. Mulls, government, mulls, whatever way it is. Continue. Next. Reliance
Reliance
Industries.
Reliance Industries MCAP again reaches rupees 20 lakh crore mark as a stock jumps.
Oh. In fact, I was preparing a general knowledge paper in which there was a question. There are 5 companies' names given, which is not included in the top 5. One is Reliance, then TCS, then LIC, then Infosys, then another one company. Now, of these 4 companies, which is not included in the top 5 MCAP of our country, the answer is LIC. LIC. Even Infosys cap is higher than LIC. MCAP means what? Number of shares issued multiplied by the share market price as on that date. Now, who was reading it now? Shubham, na?
Yes, sir.
Shubham,
Panasonic
read.
India. Yes, sir. Panasonic India to discontinue washing machines refrigerator categories.
Oh, okay. Continue.
SEBI tightens mutual fund norms for passive niches.
Yeah, for candidates going for credit officers, this knowledge is maybe useful. Please read. Capital Market Regulator.
Capital market regulator SEBI has tightened the prudential norm set for the mutual fund in terms of portfolio construction and clarified that mutual funds have to follow the same timelines to fix all types of passive breaches in portfolios, even if the breaches happen due to the reasons beyond the control of fund managers. SEBI has provided timelines for rebalancing portfolios of mutual fund schemes in the event of deviation from the mandated asset allocation mentioned in the scheme information document due to the passive breaches, occurrence of instance not arising out of omission, and commission of AMCs. Subsequently, it prescribed various limits inter alia, including issuer limits, group limits, and sector limits. While active breaches of those limits are treated as a clear violation of concerned SEBI regulations and suitable actions are taken, passive breaches of these limits do occur due to the various reasons, such as corporate actions, substantial rise and fall in the price of an underlying scribe, maturity of underlying security, large redemptions, which may not be out of omission and commission of AMC, said SEBI.
AMC mean Asset Management Company.
Right.
Continue. IRDAI.
IRDAI flags issues at 8 insurers over Health Master Circular norms.
कुछ
Shall I
गलती कर दिया होगा, कोई बात नहीं. Next. CBI.
There was 850,000 mule accounts in 700 bank branches of the 5 states.
Mule accounts means accounts used for illegal transactions. It has happened in various branches. Yeah, continue. Now please read these rates. Repo rate, how much?
How to identify the mule accounts?
Repo rate.
Mule account, how we can identify? See, actually, mule accounts are known to bankers. Many times what happens, this cannot be recorded.